Fish Girl's walking on the beach. She isn't happy.
Oh no! Look at the beach. It's very dirty. Look at all the plastic.
Now she's swimming under the sea.
Oh no! Look at the plastic bags in the sea.
She's taking photos of the plastic. Fish Girl is talking to her friends. She's telling them about the plastic.
Hello, bird boy, cat boy, and dog girl. Look at these photos of the beach and the sea. There's a lot of plastic. Please help me.
Oh dear, look at all the plastic.
Meow. The beach is dirty and the people aren't happy. Oh dear. We can help. I've got an idea.
I've got an idea too.
Bird Boy is flying his plane. He's pulling a message.
Look!
Clean the beach day!
Today!
Cat Boy and Dog Girl are talking to the people in the town.
We want to clean the beach. Can you help us?
Let's go and help!
Good idea. Yes, we can help you. Thank you.
A lot of people go to help clean the beach. Cat Boy and Dog Girl have got green bags for everyone.
Here you are, for the rubbish. Thank you.
Everyone is working hard to clean the beach. The beach and sea are clean and beautiful now.
Thank you, everyone. Well done.
Thank you, Fish Girl.
Look, the people are having fun